Today, the entire cryptocurrency market is experiencing a correction. Some investors are worrying as the price of Shiba Inu is being tested. But what's the crazy part? Analysts just dropped huge signals. Shiba Inu might be saved by the huge bombshell that BlackRock just delivered. Even stranger is the return of the Shiba Inu developers, who appear to have a major project in the works. What am I even talking about, and what is going on? Let me clarify. Warning Shiba Inu appears to have just applied the brakes hard today. Yesterday's strong price pump was followed by a quick, steep decline that caught many traders off surprise. People began to panic as the fear spread like wildfire, wondering if this was the start of a larger decline. Some even hurried to sell because they believed it would drop even more. However, Shiba Inu returned a few hours later. A partial recovery, yet sufficient to reduce the panic. Even while it's still down roughly 10%, some people found that small recovery to be a welcome reprieve, at least for the time being. Was this a brief slump, or is something more significant in the works? This is where things become weird. Even with the community's best efforts, Shiba Inus were unable to fully recover. Millions of tokens were reportedly removed from circulation as a result of the spike in burn rates. However, the price remained the same despite that enormous burn. Shiba Inu's burn rate increased by over 4 times in a single day, according to one analyst. One transaction wiped out the majority of the roughly 16 million tokens that were burned overall. After a steep decline earlier in the week, the price has remained trapped in the same range despite everything. Shiba Inu has been unable to overcome a significant resistance level since early February. The most recent attempt was made a few days ago. But investors are wondering what's actually holding Shiba Inu back when burns reach all-time highs and the price hardly responds. You may be asking yourself, what's going on? What's causing Shiba Inus to move this way? Why are these erratic swings happening? Let's take a closer look and examine the wider picture. As it happens, Bitcoin has been acting similarly. It just fell from the high 90 zeros to the mid 90 zeros, but fortunately, it appears to be gaining strong support there. Despite this decline, Bitcoin might still be preparing for its next move, according to one analyst who analyzed down the issue. After a little decline during the last day, Bitcoin is currently trading slightly above that crucial support area. Over $200 million worth of trades were lost as a result of the market's widespread liquidations brought on by this abrupt decline. The key question now is, will Bitcoin bulls re-enter the market and drive the price higher, or is this the start of further declines? It is undoubtedly keeping traders on edge, regardless of what occurs next. What is causing this dip then? However, it appears that the U.S. government may be involved. Following a significant Federal Reserve pronouncement, the entire cryptocurrency market suffered. After making some cautious remarks regarding interest rates, Fed Chair Jerome Powell doubled down on a rigid stance that sent Bitcoin and other altcoins plunging, causing a wave of panic selling and large liquidations. Powell's remarks sent a ripple across the market. Bitcoin, which is frequently regarded as a safe haven, saw a significant decline before returning to that crucial support level. Shiba Inu and other meme coins also experienced pressure, so it's not just Bitcoin. The magnitude of this sell-off was demonstrated by the spike in trading activity as billions of dollars came in and went out. As they prepare for what may be an extended period of high interest rates, investors are growing anxious. Cryptocurrency and other risky investments lose appeal when borrowing costs rise. And it's evident that the market as a whole is currently bearing the consequences of that fact. The intriguing thing is that institutional investors are unconcerned by all of this negative news. Actually, BlackRock just made a major step by acquiring another substantial portion of Bitcoin valued at more than $55 million. One of the largest investment organizations in the world, BlackRock, obviously sees something that others do not. This type of purchase indicates confidence, rather than being a random deal. Indeed, the spirit of the ambience immediately improved as the news was announced. Market sentiment tends to change when institutions get involved like that. Additionally, people begin to take notice when a player with the stature of BlackRock makes moves. In fact, this is really positive for Shiba Inu. Here's why. It's not only Bitcoin when organizations like BlackRock buy large quantities of the cryptocurrency. The entire cryptocurrency market is impacted by large investments like these. Shiba Inu and other altcoins have historically followed Bitcoin's movements. A more favorable atmosphere for Shiba Inu to rise could result from BlackRock's acquisition if it stabilizes or raises Bitcoin. However, it's not just about price action. Institutional participation gives the cryptocurrency industry legitimacy, particularly when it comes from a behemoth like BlackRock. Retail investors gain confidence when they witness big financial companies taking risks in spite of all the recent negative headlines. It suggests that cryptocurrency, including Shiba Inu, is more than a fad. It is starting to play a significant role in the global financial system. Not to mention, BlackRock isn't your average investor. This is a company that oversees billions of dollars, and they don't act on impulse. They probably see something coming if they are still investing heavily in cryptocurrency. Their actions imply long-term optimism, regardless of whether it's a predicted change in market attitude, upcoming regulatory changes, or something else entirely. For Shiba Inu, this is when things become even more intriguing. Memes like Shiba Inu still have a lot of space to expand, in contrast to Bitcoin, which is already widely acknowledged by institutions. However, as long as organizations keep approving cryptocurrency in general, it makes room for more speculative assets like Shiba Inu to become popular. This project isn't going away anytime soon, as evidenced by the expanding acceptance, new advancements in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and rising burn rates that we have already witnessed. Therefore, the large investors are not retreating even when the market is overflowing with negative news. They are actually silently piling up. Are they getting ready for a big change? Are they privy to information that the rest of us are not? Now it's just conjecture. Shiba Inu is still in the game though, and that much is clear. Additionally, the fact that organizations are investing more in cryptocurrency only serves to brighten its prospects. The problem is this. Perhaps this price decline isn't worth worrying about at all. Shiba Inu may really be in a great position to recover, according to one analyst. Renowned cryptocurrency analyst Ali Martinez recently revealed that Shiba Inu's chart is displaying a crucial buy signal, which has previously shown significant price reversals. Although this indication hasn't always been accurate, when it has produced some remarkable price spikes. Although the price didn't reach its precise target, Martinez has previously used this identical indication to forecast a significant rally, and it came very near. Naturally, there have been occasions when the signal hasn't worked out as planned. However, at the moment, other experts are also highlighting comparable trends that imply Shiba Inu might be preparing for a breakthrough. Shiba Inu is currently testing a strong support zone, according to a recent report from another cryptocurrency trading club. Their forecasts indicate significant upside potential if it is able to break out of its current pattern. They believe there is a chance for a significant recovery, one that might propel Shiba Inu far above their current level. Therefore, even if the market has been volatile and short-term traders are freaking out, the long-term outlook appears to be considerably more bright. However, what are your thoughts? Leave a comment below.